If you want to get the best out of your e-com journey, then you need Funneleo. While most platforms don't let you get the email of your visitors before a purchase is made, Funneleo does it better and even more. Here are the list of created campaigns to create a campaign. Click on Create New Campaign. Here, you can either create an Amazon landing page, Shopify landing page, or Etsy landing page. Each of these landing page campaigns are divided into two sections. For Etsy, paste in the product URL. For Shopify, your product shows up after integration. We'll be more detailed with Amazon, as all three platforms has the same step. Paste the Amazon product ASIN and click Find My Product. This pulls up the Amazon product. Now, you can promote as an affiliate or as a seller. If you're a seller, go for the coupon. And if you're an affiliate, go for the associate campaign. So let's proceed with associate campaign. Give the landing page a name, enter your associate ID, and click Create Campaign. On this page, we have 4 landing page themes to choose from. Choose your favorite and click Update and Next. Here, you set pricing. You can set a start and end time for your campaign. Disabling it leaves your campaign always active. Here's the page content needed to populate your landing page. Upload your logo, type in your product title. This title shows up on the landing page. The product description is automatically pulled from Amazon, and you can choose to edit it. A product gallery pulled from Amazon, and you can as well upload product images manually from your computer. A countdown timer for scarcity, preloaded FAQs, which can also be edited, a review section, video, embed section, adding related posts of previous campaigns, social sharing, and finally the footer section. Next is the URL. You can choose to use your custom domain, which can be configured on the settings page, or you can choose to use the normal URL. We have the analytics page where you can paste in your Facebook Pixel ID. You can also use scripts such as Google Analytics in the landing page header. With the email opt-in checkbox ticked, visitors will be required to input their email, which is synchronized into your integrated autoresponder. When unchecked, visitors won't be prompted to input their email. You can set a welcome message to visitors once they opt in as well. GDPR compliance text. If you're creating a coupon campaign, we have a coupon tab. Upload the file containing the coupon codes as well as other necessary settings. Once you're done creating the campaign, visit the page by clicking on the campaign name or copying and pasting the campaign link on your browser. You can as well view your campaign analytics. This is what an Amazon coupon campaign looks like. Visitors opt in while a coupon code is presented to them, which can be used on Amazon checkout. Here's an example of an Amazon associate campaign. The associate ID inputted when creating the campaign shows in the URL, and when a purchase is made, you'll earn a commission from Amazon. Here's an example of a Shopify campaign. And also an example of an Etsy campaign. The Email tab stores the emails gotten from your landing page campaign. Well, this automatically syncs to your integrated autoresponder. You can choose to export the emails based on campaign or export all the emails. Want to get the best out of your e-com journey? Funneleo is the solution.